As well as protecting the Liebherr road railers, we've also protected for Explore the MEWPs behind me. So as you can see, we fitted a Fireward automatic fire suppression system. This one is a 4 kg single dry powder, has a gauge on the top so that anybody can see whether or not the system is charged or has been deployed at some point. So the pipe work enters into the machine here. As you can see, you've got the discharge hoses coming through. One here with the nozzle, down to here, more nozzles there, and over here. Detection is also fed through, as you can see, it's marked with the Fireward stickers, so the customer is fully aware of when it comes to maintenances, be it daily or main services, of where all the equipment is and the detection, so it makes it a lot easier moving forward, so it's not to be knocked or touched. And on this side, as part of the operator's duties, when he comes to inspect the machine, the first thing you'll see is our end of line gauge, which will tell the operator exactly if the system is still live or has been discharged at any point.